in year 9, so we're going to do some programming today, hopefully. Get it to work. So what we need to do first of all is we need to set up the keys. So we're going to, once you've got this object here, zoom around, you should have it, Postman Pat, in his little van. If it looks like this, that's fine. We will come back and fix it. If it looks like this, that's great. Or even if it looks like this, it's fine as well. But at the minute, it's fine. It's looking like this. When I go into game logic mode, so we change from default to game logic, it will actually disappear. Okay, but we will fix that. We will fix that. Okay, so we're going to add some sensors to control our car. We're going to add a controller, which is going to be our Python program. It's going to go in here. And then the actuator is to do with the movement of it. So 4 sensors we're going to add is the arrow keys. We're going to click on add sensor. We're going to click on keyboard. And we're going to type, this one's going to be key up. Please remember to use capital K and capital U for key up. So make sure that you use the right one, because this will be important when you come to writing your program. Then it says here key down here. Click on key. And then you simply tap the up key. It says press any key. You just click on it. Tap the up key. Up arrow. If you want, you can use W if you wish to use that settings if you want. But I'm just going to use the up arrow. Okay. And guess what? We just repeat this process then for each key. So we do the same again. Keyboard. This time it is capital K, E-Y, down, capital D. No spaces. Click on the key, press the down arrow. Okay, and again, do it another time. We're going to do keyboard. This time we're going to do the left key. So L-E-F-T, capital L, capital K-E-Y. Okay, and we'll click on the key, tap the key. It's going to be left key, arrow. Then the last sensor one we're going to put in. Keyboard, and we're going to do, this one's going to be key right, so capital K-E-Y or I-G-H-T, key right. Okay, so this time, I didn't tap my key there, so I need to make sure the key's tapped. So press any key, type the right key. So that's our 4 keys now, all done in there. This we're going to add one more. And we're going to add a thing called a delay, and this makes sure that we our card just doesn't zoom off the screen. There's a bit of a delay before it does something. And you're still going to tick this box that says repeat. Okay. We're going to add a controller. So we're going to click here, add a controller, and it's going to be Python. Okay. I'll attach the program to the bottom of this video. And the program will go in here. So if I click here, if I click open here, I should be able to find game. There we go. And open in text block. So there's our program in there. And once we've done that, so it's open here, it's called game.py. So I just clicked open here. So I'm going to click here to select it. And now I'm going to connect all of these things to our Python controller. There was a second video that explains this code and how it works. You can click on that after this one. And all we do now is connecting this to here. Connecting all of these things to here. If you make a mistake, you can just simply draw a line through them, I think. Or no, it doesn't work. We don't need to worry about that anyway. So we just click on that. Okay. And then we add an actuator. And it should be motion. Okay. So just to explain how this works. So the keys are connected to the Python controller, which is this piece of program. And the program controls the movement of the car. And then the motion is the actual actuator. So the motion moves in X, Y, and Z direction. Okay. So you'll notice down here in D location, the speed. So this is X, Y, and Z. And then this is steering, which is rotation. Okay. So hopefully, let's try this out if this works then. So if you're hovering over in the middle of the screen with your mouse, you press P. Press P. No, it's not working, is it? Oh, sorry, you have to change this from Blender Render to Blender Game. And now it should work if you press P. Okay, so if I press the keys, okay, something has not working, but we'll have a look. Just check what has happened here. Let's check. Positive. Yeah, that looks right. Key right, key right. Oh, I have to add a game property here. And this should be speed. And that should be it, I think. Speed. Let's try it again then. P. Darn it. It's not quite doing what we want. Movement. Just check my code. Key up, key down. Key left, key right. Yeah. Positive. Steering. That looks fine to me. Okay, we'll come back to that anyway. Hold on.